Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about veteran investor Milind Karmarkar's very high quality top stock pick for the next 10 years. Now, for those of you who do not know, Milind Karmarkar is one of the most respected names in the Indian stock market, and he was among the first to predict many sectoral up moves like the one in the insurance companies. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Trent Limited, which is available at rupees 535.90 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is TRENT. Now Trent Limited engages in the retail side of ready-made garments. It focuses on the operation of Westside, Zudio, Star and Landmark stores. The company was founded in 1998 and is headquartered in Mumbai, India. Now looking at the one-year chart, this company has been on a beautiful uptrend and a lot of wealth has been created here. The market cap of the company is 19,050.57 crores, which means that this company is a mid-cap one. The EPS of 2.70 translates into a whopping price to earnings ratio of 198.48, which is much more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 67.40. The price to book ratio of 11.57 also seems very expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.2112, whereas the dividend yield stands at 0.24%. The promoter holding is a bit subdued at 37.01%, of which nothing is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.